Tips to ace the AP World History exam from a perfect score student. Before I start with the tips, I want to give a disclaimer that most of the time in class I was not paying attention. I started studying 3 weeks before the exam while also preparing for other exams, but still ending up with a 5. Which wasn't a surprise with the targeted practice I did. Part 1. Study. Look at the summarized timeline. Summarize each time period taught. If you do this, you will see the clear picture of the history. And it will make it easier to understand the sequence of events and which event effects they had. Use Heimler's YouTube videos. I really love Heimler's videos. They push me through the contents of AP World History. He summarizes the parts that we need to know without any BS. I will link his World History playlist in the description. Look through your notes. I personally didn't take notes, but I used the study guide from Google, which I'll also be linking in the description. Do targeted study. Look and score your potential now on an AP World History test score calculator and build on parts that you want to focus on to get the score that you want. You can access this by searching AP World History score calculator on Google. Look it up in the description. Download the rubrics for DBQ, FRQ, LEQ and look over them and make sure you follow them. Also linked in description. The actual test. MCQ. This will need the help of understanding of each time period. When you see an excerpt, make it fall under one of the time periods and look at the answer choices, and cancel out the ones that don't fall under the same timeline of the excerpt. Most of the time you can cancel out 2 answer choices by doing this. Multiple choice questions. Skip questions if you take more than 1 minute. Choose one letter ahead of a time before taking the test and circle the question to go back and review. For DBQ, we need contextualization. Make ChatGPT do the contextualization. When crossing out text, only draw a line through it once. A lot of students make the mistake of wasting a lot of time scribbling out the mistake they made. The writing section. Be clear. Do not give sentences that surround your point. Give the test correctors the exact point that proves you understand the topic. Be confident. Drink coffee or energy drink for energy boost. And remember that confidence is worth 50 points.